Day 5 of Handpanuary, we're going to look at some accent grids, which we have explored before, but if you haven't seen them before, it's basically just practicing these ghost notes and practicing accenting at a different point within the count. So if I'm counting like this, 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E, I'm going to accent on every number like this. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4. Try with me. 1, 2. Nice. Pretty easy. The next step is not to accent the 1, but to accent the E of every count. So we're striking a ghost note on the 1 with the right hand, and then an accent on the E with the left hand, like this. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and nice. The next is going to shift again, as you guessed, to the and. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 3E and 4E and then finally we accent on the of each beat. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and E and 4E and So even though the accent is shifting, we still have to maintain that count in the same place in our heads. Or actually, I find it really helpful to count out loud. So the exercise then is this. First of all, every 4 beats, we will shift. Then every 2 beats, we will shift. And then every beat, we will shift. It looks like this. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4. Then we shift. 1E and 2E and 3E and ready, we're going to shift again. 1E and 2E and 3E and again 1E and 2E and back to the beginning. Oh, this time every 2. 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4 again. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1. Keep trying that. Keep that count in your head. 1. The hardest one is shifting for every single beat onto the next accent. So that will look like this. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1. So practice all of those chunks individually, and then when you're ready, rejoin, and we're going to try that all the way through. So all 4 beats, 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and then we shift every 2, 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and so on. Then we shift every 1, 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1. Right? See if we can do it. Not that fast. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and shift 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and shift 1E and 2E and 3E. This time every 2. 1 E and 2 E and shift 1 E and 2 E and shift 1 E and 2 E and again 1 E and 2. Now everyone 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and again 1 E and 2 E and 4 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Nice. A little bit tricky if you've never done that before. The next step then, of course, is to move that around. Right, so I'm doing exactly the same activity, I'm just moving it around the scale so that again I'm practicing getting those different shifting movements in there. If you want to see this written down, I have a PDF of all of this week's activities available on Patreon for those who are in the tier tree planter and above. So if you're interested in that, or you just want to support me in carrying on making all of this free stuff, then please go over there and check it out. I think for some people it's helpful to see it written down and to see how the accent is actually shifting on that count. For me, it's more helpful to hear it, but you know, everybody works in different ways. So that's there and available. Otherwise, enjoy. You've got 2 days off, and I'll see you next week.